Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to install cylinder head protectors on the BMW R1150RT. These protectors are essential for safeguarding the cylinder head from damage during unexpected drops or bumps. Let's get started. During the latest trip to England, I was unfortunate to slide with the motorbike. The left protector broke off and also the one on the right needs replacement. We start with the right cylinder head. We don't need to remove the fairing to be able to install the protectors. So first, we use a torque wrench to remove any existing bolts on the cylinder head cover. The protector is mounted to the head with 3 bolts. One on the front, one on the bottom and one on the back. Next, take the right side cylinder head protector and position it over the cylinder head. Make sure it aligns with the bolt holes perfectly. New bolts and rings were included, but I will only use them to mount the front and the back mount. For the bottom, I keep the 10mm bolt. Now insert the bolt on the front and hand tighten it first to keep the protector in position. This way it's easier to mount the other 2 bolts. Fixing the bolt on the rear side can be a bit tricky, because there isn't a lot of space to get it in. It should just be enough though. I figured out this method to do so. After hand tightening, I use this little tool to torque it down further. To mount the bottom, I use the standard 10mm bolt. Like this, there is enough room to tighten it down. And as a final step, torque down the front bolt. Repeat the same steps for the left cylinder head protector. The process is identical. And there you have it. Both cylinder head protectors are now installed on the BMW R1150RT. Subscribe to the channel to not miss any future guides. Ride safe and see you in the next one.